Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to boost your Snapchat score? In this video, I'll show you the most effective strategies and tips to increase your Snap score. Let's go. Snapchat score represents your level of activity on the platform. It's a number that shows how much you use Snapchat. According to the official Snapchat website, you will earn a profile point if you post a story to your Snapchat profile, send snaps to your Snapchat friends, and receive snaps from your Snapchat friends. Note that texting your friends on Snapchat does not contribute to your Snap score. With the help of the Snapchat app, you can easily know your Snap score. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the upper left corner. Under your profile name, locate and tap the ghost icon with the numbers next to it. A pop-up window will then appear to tell you how many snaps you have sent or received. You can also check your friend's profile score by tapping on their profile and following the steps mentioned above to know their Snap score. However, you won't be able to determine the number of snaps sent and received by your friend on Snapchat. Each snap you send on Snapchat adds 1 point to your profile. If you send the same snap to multiple people at the same time, you get multiple points at once. Doing this often can quickly boost your Snapchat score. To send a snap to multiple friends simultaneously, on Snapchat's camera tab, you can select first a filter if you like, then take a snap. Once done, tap Send To, select the friends you want to send it to, and then click Send. Regularly sending snaps to friends will increase your Snapchat score. Opening snaps also earns you points, adding to your overall Snapchat score. Make sure to open all unread snaps from friends and even Snapchat itself, which are marked with red New Snap text. To quickly view multiple unread snaps, keep tapping to move through them. You don't have to watch the entire snap to get the point. Each snap you open in a collection will give you a point, increasing your Snap score. Posting stories on Snapchat is another way to earn points and increase your Snap score. You get 1 point for each story you post. To post a story, locate the camera icon on Snapchat and take a photo. You can use different filters to make it more fun. Then, tap the story button at the bottom of the screen to add it to your story. You can add as many stories as you want, and each one will increase your Snap score. Try to post stories regularly to boost your score. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.